Hidden CMD commands hackers hope you never learn. Let's start by typing cmd in the search bar and running command prompt as an administrator. The net user command in command prompt is a powerful way to help detect and address unauthorized accounts, improving your system's security. Type the following command and press enter. Net user. This will display a list of all user accounts on the computer, including both active and hidden user accounts. Common default accounts include administrator, which is the system administration account, the guest account, which is a limited access account. Look for unauthorized accounts. Any unexpected accounts may indicate unauthorized access or a compromised system. Investigate suspicious accounts. Check account details. To get more information about a specific account, use net user and replace account name with the suspicious account name. This will display details about the account, such as last logon time and group memberships. Check Logon Events to track account activity. Let's open Event Viewer. Type event-viewer.msc and press enter to launch the Event Viewer. In the Event Viewer window, expand to the Windows Logs section from the left-hand menu. Click on Security. This section logs all security-related events, including logon attempts and account usage. Look for event ID 4625, which indicates unsuccessful attempts to log in. Right-click on an event, select Event Properties. The key fields to check is the failure reason, which could be example, bad password or account logged out. The account name, which is the username used in the attempt. The logon type shows how the failed logon occurred. The number 2 indicates interactive logon, which means the attempt was made physically at the computer. Source IP indicates the IP address from which the attempt originated. Note down unfamiliar IP addresses. This could signal remote access attempts. Multiple failed logon attempts could indicate a brute force attack. To find logon events specifically, look for event ID 4624, which indicates when an account successfully logged into the system. The key fields to check is the account name, which is the user account that logged in. Logon type, which shows how the logon occurred. Logon type 5 occurs when an application configured to run as a Windows service starts on the system using a specific user account. 3 indicates network logon, which is remote access. 10 indicates remote desktop logon. The source network address shows the IP address of the source if accessed remotely. It is a key field to always check. By regularly checking your event viewer for logon events, you can proactively identify suspicious behavior and secure your system. If you find a suspicious account, disable it. Type net user. Replace account name with the suspicious account name. Active. No. This command will disable the account. If the account is confirmed to be malicious, you can permanently delete it. Type net user, the account name, delete. This proactive approach can help detect and address unauthorized accounts, improving your system's security.